In this video, I'm going to show you how to style these tabs. Okay, like how to style these tabs that are the screen tabs in React Native Expo app. Okay, let's get started. And I've made some notes of this styling elements. I will also provide the link in the description so you can use these stylings and modify those stylings as and how you want it. So first, let's take the property of tab bar show label. So let's make it false. Okay, so this screen options here, this refers to the entire screen. Okay, so if I put it over here, this will be applied to the all the elements. Now you can see it is applied to all the elements, but it is not affecting in mobile. So let's reload the app. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to go to scan QR code and then I'm going to scan it and then this will reload the app and still labels are displaying over here but they are not displaying in this. Okay, so okay, the tables okay, the tabs let me see. Okay, okay, in my home screen I have put this, so I have to remove this from here, so hence it is creating this issue. Now, if you see that my tab bar show label is false and these elements are true. So here we can see that the labels is not appearing. Okay, if I make it true, that is by default it is true, then you can see that these labels are appearing. So we can also put this for individual elements and we can also put it for the all the options, but it makes sense to put it for the all the options. Yes. So let's save this and let's go to another property, that is the badge property. So we can copy this. Okay. And if I make this true over here, then all will get the badges. If you see that the notifications are come to all the badges. To avoid this, we can put this into the individual element like this. Let's go down and put this over here and we can see that the 3 is appearing here. So next, we can also style these badges over here. So we can do what is, we can set the color styles for it. So if I use this over here and if I put this over here, you can see that the color of the badge and the content is changed. So this is one of the useful property that we can use. Then let's go to the next property is we can also set the color of the elements. Okay. So we can say like the active bar is green and then gray for inactive. So if I go here and if I put this over here, okay, and let me get this in order, format this properly, and if I save this, then you can see that the active is getting green, and if I go to settings, the active is getting green here. Okay. Now let's go to the next property, that is we can also change the icon colors. Okay, so we can copy this property from here and we can use it into this. Okay, we can comment this property over here since it is the same property and we can use this. What I need to do is I need to import view view from React Native. Okay, so I'll remove this. This got auto completed. So we can see that the icon color is changed to red. So we can make it white as well. So we can see that the home color is white. Okay. So this is how we change these properties over here. Okay, I will provide the link in the description for you to get all these properties and how it works. So this is how you use these properties, and now we'll go to the next property. And what is remaining? One of the important properties that we can also style the label font size. Okay, this will have the font size of the label, so I can make it global, so I can make it 14px. 14. Okay, and you can see if I say this that the element styles have been changed. Let's make it so you can see that the color is changed to white, so it is more visible. So this is how we can change it. We can also put padding and those elements as well. Okay, so we can uh, style it like that. So I'm just going to try this one of this property if it works over here. Yes, it does work. So I won't say padding. So one, make it one. So it is comma. So you can make it like this. And this is how it works. Okay, so I'll remove this property. So you can explore new properties by using this. So I'll make it 12. Okay, and you can see that the properties have been changed. Okay, and also you can style these items, tab bar item style. So each item will be styled. I don't know if I could apply this for in the home, but let's see. Yes, we can apply this in the home. So this will style the items, okay, the background color as well. So this is how we use these properties, and hope you got some idea like how we can use these properties in the Expo app. So we can use it for the individual items as well. So if I remove this property and if I put it for the individual item like this, so it will work. So this will be for the individual item. Okay.